She can be so entertaining. I ever get bored, need something to entertain me. Who needs a TV? I got live entertainment. When I want a break, need a break, I got baby. Angel BB. BB stands for baby. BB from a BB gun. Black beautifly. Black beauty. I'm sorry. Black butterfly. Bluey bluey. Bluebell. Baby. Crazy baby. Baby girl. Baby girl. We think maybe about this May or June should be about maybe 2. I don't know if I actually had pictures of her on Facebook. Too much when I found her, July 2019, and took her to a vet the next week, and they said she was 2.4 pounds. Now she's like 9.5 pounds. She big girl, big girl, crazy big girl, baby. Very entertaining. Well, I guess I'll go get some more work done, a little bit at a time. See y'all later.